What's up, everybody? My name is Colan, also known as dadimperfect. I know I haven't done a very good job of posting videos out there, but today I'm starting a mental fitness challenge called 75 Hard. Well, and if you've never heard of 75 Hard, you can go out, Google it, just put in 75 Hard. You get all the details you want about it. But this is not a physical challenge. This is a mental challenge that is designed to develop the characteristics that you're lacking in life that have gotten you to where you are. So where am I today? I am fat. To be honest with you, I'm pretty embarrassed about the way I look for myself. I definitely do not like the way that I look at myself in the mirror. Now I need to lose weight, about 53 pounds to be exact, as I'm currently 243 and my goal is to get to 190. Now, not only because I want that Lake Grapevine beach body, but also because I want to live to be past 50. And I feel like I've got the weight training down, as I've been training for the last 2 years at 5:30 in the morning. So I've got that down pat. So where's my struggle? Well, if you didn't guess, it's food. Now, everyone has their vices, addictions, whether it's drugs, alcohol, porn, or whatever. Well, mine's food. It's been fast food and sweets, and well, quite frankly, it's been a struggle my whole life. And today, I'm here to change that by starting my 75 Hard program. So what does that mean? Well, I'm gonna post a video for 75 days to hold myself accountable. And well, I'm gonna put myself out there like I already have, be vulnerable. And well, quite frankly, after you've had cancer and didn't die from it, thank God I didn't die, you don't really give a shit what people think about you anymore. With that, there's so much more to come. So if you wanna join me on this journey and offer any kind of support, or even if I can just help just one person, including myself, well, then I feel like it'll all be worth it. And if you don't like it, well, quite frankly, keep it to yourself, because no one really cares. This is going to be a real struggle for me. And this is going to be raw, real, and unscripted. And to be quite honest with you, I suck at these videos. But hopefully at the end of the 75 days, I will have made a mental and a physical transformation, and maybe I'll even have gotten a little bit better at these videos. So, hope you'll join me. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.